Hello everyone, this is Pei-Xin Xie, and today I will be talking about a disability disorder, and that will be the autism spectrum disorder, also known as ASD. ASD is one of the most common disability in which children who are diagnosed with this disorder tend to have difficulty with communication and interaction with other people, restricted interest and repetitive behaviors, and also symptoms that hurt the person's ability to function properly in school, work, and other areas in life. People with autism tend to focus on one topic, such as trends or a television show. They have behaviors that they do over and over again, like smelling things and flipping objects. They may not like changes in their schedule or in the food they eat. Autism affects an estimated 1 in 59 children in the US today, with most of them influenced by a combination of genetic and environmental factors. So what can help these kids? First would be by motivating them to work and explore. Second would be to use basic communication skills to teach these kids with autism. Basic skills such as the use of body language and gesture, sign language, and creating a list of simple directions can be very helpful to them. Giving choices will give them a sense of control over their work, which they would like. Finally, being consistent is key to overcome with their struggles. Awarding them for appropriate behaviors and giving out consequences for inappropriate behaviors. This will be the end of the video. Thank you.